from Kamalifestyles.com. So guys, today I'm going to talk about how to get her to contact you. So the art of communicating with a lady is that comfort is everything. If you want a woman to call you back or contact you after you've met, it's to ensure that you have made a date worthwhile by ensuring that you made her feel comfortable, you were not too clingy, and you were good company. You made her feel like she was your focus the entire time. After passing the test, she will make a mental note that you are not a wrong person and you may be someone that she would not mind hearing from again and hence contact you afterwards. Getting a woman to call you back after you have just exchanged contact is an entirely different issue. So there is so much that comes out to play. Here are some pointers. Wait, but not too long. So do not contact her immediately after getting her number and don't expect her to do the same. However, do not be the wait one day rule guy. It shows that you are the non-commitment type and she may not call you back at all. However, you may send a text reminding her of who you are and how pleased you were to meet and leave it at that. If she found you interesting, she will definitely call you back. Choose neutral topics when chatting. Before she calls you, you may initiate a text session, but you should ensure that you stick to the non-sexual topics, as this includes not mentioning wanting a nightcap or Netflix and chill. Instead, talk about your work, hobbies, family, the ones that she's told you about, weather, politics if she initiates it, but do not be so passionate on imposing your will and your thoughts on her. Play hard to get as well. Make it a game since she is playing one too. Every woman likes games being played, but be careful with this. You have to be in sync for it to work. Engage her intellectually as well as being comical. Ladies love a man who can make them laugh. She won't mind calling you back if you do all of these. Give her time. Leave a message when you call first and wait for her call. Do not be the guy who leaves 1,001 messages. It's quite creepy, so give her a reason to call you back. Make sure that there is something unforgettable about you both in person and in the message you leave behind. Be a gentleman, be considerate of her schedule, and most of all, listen to her, and even if she complains about something, that she does not want the yes type of guy. Chivalry is still appreciated by women, and they like a man who is sensitive, considerate, and thoughtful in chat and on the phone. To ensure that a woman contacts you after you meet, ensure that you have made a good impression on her and seem like someone she will not mind seeing again sometime. To be unforgettable, ensure that you are well groomed, funny, fun to talk to, and very confident. Gents, that's all from me today, but please check out our services at Kamalifestyles.com. Of course, if you simply like my video, then please share, comment, like, and subscribe. I'm Gabriella Ryan, and I will see you next time.